How about now, guys? Can you hear me now? Yeah, you can totally hear me now. My bad, guys. Technical difficulties. Give me a second here. Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can hear me now. Sorry about that, guys. Technical issues. You know, so many buttons, so many screens, so many things I gotta look at. It is what it is, guys. Make sure you can hear me now. If you hear me now, let me know. So like I was saying, guys, we got a very important show today, guys. We got a very scary show because very scary things are happening in crypto today. It is what it is, guys. It's crypto. You see what I'm looking at on the screen right now? This is USD Tether. USD Tether depegged from the dollar. That is the scariest thing that could possibly ever happen in crypto. It depegged from the dollar, but then it immediately recovered back to $1. So it is what it is. It's just things that happens in crypto, my man. But it is what it is. Look at that, guys. That is USD Tether. Just this is why I can't sleep. I go to sleep and stupid shit happens in crypto. God damn it. You gotta love it, my man. You gotta love it. Big shout out for everybody here on the TikTok. I am streaming now from the TikTok. Finally gave me the streaming key. I can now stream from the software. So guys, the quality is going to be a whole lot better. Hope you guys are enjoying it right there. Big shout out for everybody here. And move things around so I can see what everything is going on. Alright, perfect. So big shout out for everybody from the TikTok. How you all doing? Hope you're having a fantastic day. I know you guys are. I know you guys are. So yeah, guys, USD Tether depegged from the dollar for just a little for like a few minutes, and everything just I just lost my mind, because if the USD Tether depegs, that's it. We're done. We're going to zero. It is what it is, guys. But it quickly recovered. It's back to $1. Look right here. It's back to $1. We got to talk about that today, guys. Stick around. Hit the like button. Hit the follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on at. Bruder Crypto, love you, bro. Love you too, my man. Big hearts for you. You have a high, you have a low, you have a pullback on the high. You know how it is, my man. You already know the jingle. I'm going to make a jingle out of that. We have a high, we have a low. So let's get things ready over here and get some water. Get the juices going. So what's going on with you guys? Is it all good, all good? Chad, you're welcome. You're welcome on that little, let me see, what was it with GBP, JPY? That's the one that we were looking on at. Oh, look at that, guys. Woo! Beautiful chart on GBP. Right there, my man. It's happening. It's a happening. You're going to get that 181 coming right around the corner, guys. To the upside on GBP, JPY. Oh, look at that. These are your two take profit zones right there. Well, I hope you enjoy that one. Be sure to take some profits on the way up, because as you see, things can just turn around immediately. We're going to give it one more minute, guys. One more minute, and we'll start the class. Anybody from the TikToks, how y'all doing? My man, thank you for everybody who signed up and followed over on the TikTok, guys. You guys are amazing. I finally made it to 3,000 subscribers over on TikTok, and TikTok finally gave me a streaming key. So now I can stream on the software from TikTok. So let me know if it actually looks good. It looks better than what we used to do before, because before I was streaming from my phone, from the phone camera in my phone, like computer screen. That was horrible. So hopefully we get a better quality now. Let me know, guys, over on the TikTok if you guys are having a better experience. It's a big shout out for everybody there on the TikTok. Also, guys, if you have any coins, anything you want to look at in specific, any TA you want to do, any technical analysis whatsoever, whatever market whatsoever, go ahead and write it down on the chat box. I will do my best to read it out loud and do some TA on that. You got me here for an hour of power. So let's see what we can do. Are we going to be making some money? Are we going to be losing money? I don't know what's going on with the markets. Let me see what we got over here. Look at that. Bruder Crypto wants to do some XLM TA. Yeah, we got that together. We always do XLM every single day. INJ. You want to do some INJ? Let me write that down. Let's look at some INJ later down the road. You're going to post it. We got some XLM action. Some INJ. Cool. We'll do that. We'll do some TA on that. Guys, my XRP trade still on the green. Can you see it? Yep. Right there. Still on the green on this XRP pullback down. All these pullbacks are just wonderful. I love it when the market just pulls to the downside. It just gives me more opportunity to get even more XRP. All of my, let me see what are my current trades doing right now? All of my trades, look at that. Completely positive on the pull down. Guys, you just got to know what to do. That's what I'm here for. Teaching you guys what you got to do. We catch the pull downs and we wait for the bouncy bounce to happen whenever it does. It is what it is. I'm still up 40% on my trade. 40%. My highest trade is up about 80%. 80% on the highest trade. So that's not bad to look at. So how y'all doing, guys? What's up with you guys? Let's give it few more minutes to see what we got. One more minute, and we'll start the class. My XRP trades, guys, just killing it, absolutely wrecking it. Even when the market's pulled down, you can make money. You just got to know what to do. That's a kick-ass song. Let me get things ready over here, guys. All right, we're ready, guys. Let's just start the class. All right, everybody. I like to start the class the same way every single day, looking on these markets to see where we're at. Are we making money? Or are we losing money? Are we up? Are we down? Are we sideways? What's going on? I don't know. Let's find out together. I like to start with Bitcoin first because Bitcoin is the big mama bear. Whatever Bitcoin does, so does everything else. So if you're going to do your technical analysis, start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is king when it comes to crypto. Everything is tied to Bitcoin. Sometimes things tend to depeg from Bitcoin, but it's so rare that we're not even going to take that into consideration just yet until we enter into alt season. So for now, we are going to be doing our TA with Bitcoin first. Okay. What you're looking on the screen right now is Bitcoin on the daily chart. So make sure that you set up your charts on the daily chart so that you can do the same TA that I am doing right now. Let's zoom in. Let me put the auto here. Let's zoom in, and what do we always do, guys? We identify the low, we identify the high, we identify the pullback on the high. That is a chart formation, and that translates into what? The Fibonacci. The Fibonacci. You're so gonna get tired of the goddamn Fibonacci. But we do it every single day, guys. It's the best tool we got out there to find support and resistance. And since we are support and resistant traders, we gotta use the Fibonacci. Guys, on the Fibonacci right now, what is happening right here? Look at that. Having a little bit of a bouncy bounce on the 0.5. Do I believe that we're going to keep going to the upside from here? I have no idea whatsoever. My entry price has always been for the last month. I've been telling you guys this for months now. My entry price for Bitcoin is 23,333. 23,333. I am still waiting for that little dumpy dump to happen to get in on some Bitcoin action. Told you guys, this sucker is going to keep going down. You do not go in on a trade when it's above the 382 on the Fibonacci, because you don't know if it actually has support or resistance. When this zone right here, this is the red zone. This is the I don't know zone. You never want to buy on the high. You don't want to buy on the low when it comes to the 382. You want to buy on the low when it's on the golden zone, when it's in the golden pocket. Okay, unless you're a shorter. If you want to short the market, then yes, this is the anything above the 382. It's exactly where you want to be if you want to short the market. Because always remember, there is two ways that you can look at this. There's two ways. This is the longing way, and this is the shorting way. Okay, this is the shorting way if you're going to be shorting Bitcoin. Okay, we have a high, we have a low, we have a pullback on the high, on the low. And we have a breakout out of the 382. So what is it telling me right now? That is, if you're shorting the market, it is telling me that you should take your profits at around these two zones down here. You got in here on the test on the 618, right back up. You come back down, and it's telling you, hey, you should take some profits on 22K, 22,500. So let me put it right here. So you guys, I tell you guys, there's two ways. There's two ways to make money. Not everything is longing. Not everything is shorting. You got to take advantage of both ways. Okay. But I am biased towards longing, so I don't really do any shorting trades whatsoever. I barely ever win shorts. Oops. Wait, I wrote this totally wrong. 21,355. If you are shorting the market, these are your two take profit zones right here. God damn, I wrote this wrong. There you go. Wardrobe malfunction, guys. These are your two take profits if you are shorting the market. Okay, take your profits out of 22,566 and 21,365. Okay, I don't know if we're actually going to reach those prices to the downside. We could, and if you're shorting, then hooray for you. That's a great trade on your short. But if you are longing, you know it's the other way around. Low, high, low. You are going to want to get in on a long at 23,333. And then pray to the four winds that it actually plays out for you. That we're actually going to get a long position from there, and then you can get a bouncy bounce from that 618. We always get the bouncy bounce on the 618 because the 618 is the highest demand zone on whatever asset you are looking at. Okay? Whatever asset you are looking at is the 618. You want to get in on the 618. Your job, what differentiates you from good traders and bad traders, is identifying that 618. How do you identify where the 618 is at? Well, you got a low, you got a high, and you got to pull back on the high. Those shark fin formations, those are your Fibonacci retracement tools signals. That's how you draw out your Fibonacci, guys. Okay. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. So we're going to get in on some Bitcoin action at 23,338. Hopefully we get that action happening. We can live stream you so you guys can see how we catch that live right there. Actually, you know what? I do not have set up that trade just yet. Let me get that in. I'm going to put my money where my mouth is. I am going to go in on a trade on Bitcoins right there. Let me set it up. You can actually set up your trades beforehand. You do not have to wait for the market to actually get in on a trade, guys. You could just set it up. So I'm going to set it up right now. The price is 23,333. The cost, I'm going to put in like around $100. It's about 1% of my portfolio. It's less than 1% of my portfolio. Let me go right now. Let me see. Yeah, let me put it up. $100 in. Limit, isolated, 5x long, blah, 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 and buy long. And there it is, guys. I've just set up a trade on Bitcoin at 23,330, which is my Fibonacci 618. My Fibonacci 618, okay? I'm going to go in, and I'm going to hold it all the way up to 37K, however long that takes, okay? That is my trade, guys. It is open. Here it is. You can take a screenshot of this. These are all my open trades. These are all from XRP, and this is Bitcoin right here. All right. Perfect. All right. Moving on to some Ethereum action. All right, guys. What is Ethereum doing right now? Let me get rid of this so it doesn't confuse the hell out of you. Can we identify a low? Can we identify a high? Can we identify a pullback on the high? Yes, we can. So what do? We draw out the Fibonacci. Check that out, guys. I'm telling you guys, I don't lie. I don't lie. You just got to learn to read the charts, my man. Look at that, guys. My exact target price right there on Ethereum. I've been saying it for months. You can rewatch all of my streams. You've seen it there. I told you the sucker was going to go down to 1,628. Did you catch it? Did you go in? Give or take $1 or $2. There was your trade. I told you guys this sucker was going to keep going. I told you it was going to happen, guys. It was going to happen. Judy! Big shout out to Judy over on the TikTok. How you doing, Judy? Judy, if you're looking on the stream right now, is the quality of the stream a whole lot better? Because I can finally use the software for TikTok. This is not from my computer screen. I'm not using my phone to record the computer screen. Does it look a whole lot better? Let me know. 1,628, guys. I told you this sucker was going to bounce from there. Did you cash that trade? Right now, you would be in profits. A percent or two. I don't know if we're actually going to keep going to the upside from here. I have no idea whatsoever. But I try to catch the bottoms, and that's how you catch the bottoms. The bouncy bounces are going to happen in the 618 most of the time. It could actually break the 618 to the downside and keep going to zero. Of course it can. Well, absolutely. We saw it on Cardano, the last trade last weekend. But we always try to trade within the golden zone, and we always try to catch it on the 618. And there it is, guys. That's the bouncy bounce on Ethereum. Did you catch it? Did you go in? I hope you did. I really do hope you did, guys, because there it is. It's just, I cannot make it any easier for you. So what do we do now with this information? Now we wait. We got to wait for the gods of the four winds to push this sucker to the upside. See if we can actually break that 382 at 1,800 once again. We are testing lows right now. I don't know what the market is going to do. Ethereum might have a little bit of a backlash when it comes to the Hinman emails from the XRP army. I don't know. I have no idea. I don't talk about the news here whatsoever. I believe that news don't drive the market as much as you think they do. Everything is baked into the charts. The news are just excuses to drive the prices to where it has to go. Okay, and it has to go to 1,628, and it did. Right there, guys. It did. It bounced from there. Now we pray that it actually keeps going to the upside. If you caught it, you should be in profits. Take your profits on the way up. Simple as that, guys. I cannot do it any easier for you. If you are shorting Ethereum, let's say that you are shorting Ethereum, then right now you should be taking your profits. You went in here on the 618 on the short, and it is now touching the negative 382. So this is the bouncy bounce from here. It'll probably start going to the upside. Okay. Big shout out to the Lion's Den. My brother, what's going on with XRP? We're going to be talking about that today, guys. XRP to the moon. Always and always. These are just little mini pullbacks. More chances for me to get some more XRP. Let's just keep dumping it, guys. Let's just keep getting it lower and lower. The lower it goes, the more XRP I get. I want more XRP. Let's get it lower, guys. So if you are shorting Ethereum, guys, 382, this is your take profit right now. You should be taking your profits on this short on Ethereum, because we might get a little bit of a bouncy bounce from here. Might. Okay. Might is very, very caps lock and bold. Might. Everything I say is a might. But if you are shorting Ethereum, this would have been one hell of a great trade for you. You got in here. You're getting out here. That is a beautiful, let's see, let's find out how much you would have made on this trade. That would have been a 17% on your trade times whatever leverage you're using. Is you're using a 5x leverage. Guys, that would have been huge. 17 times 5. That's about a 60%, 60 somewhat percent on your trade. Come on. Let's go. Hope you catch that one, guys. Hope you caught that one and having a great trade right there on Ethereum. But we're probably going to get a little bit of a bouncy bounce from here, so take your profits and go to the upside. Big shout out to Yudi. Thank you for the like over on the TikTok. And that, guys, is Ethereum. Let's move on to my beautiful baby girl, XRP. What is XRP doing right now? Let's find out. We're having a little bit of a pullback, of course. Like I said, I told you guys that the Hinman emails were not going to have an effect on the price. The Hinman email was just it's a buy the rumor, sell the news scenario. Okay? Everybody was hyping up the Hinman emails, but it was nothing that we didn't know already. We knew that the SEC were scumbags and they were in cahoots with Ethereum. We already knew that. We now just have proof of it. Okay, and I hope that the judge takes into consideration everything that is happening and all the manipulation that is happening within the SEC. I'm not a judge. I'm not a lawyer. I have no clue whatsoever about anything about laws. I don't have any background in laws whatsoever. So I don't know how anything in that like that goes or what is it going to do. But like I say, everything is baked into the charts, and here are the charts, and here are this right here. Oh, right there. It wicked exactly on the 618, guys. See, this is what I'm telling you guys. This is what you have to look out for. Draw out your Fibonacci's there. Nothing goes up forever. Nothing goes down forever, unless it goes to zero, of course. But it bounces off the 618. And you know what? That trade right there, I think I caught that trade right there. Let me see. I caught that. Yeah, right here. I caught that trade, and now that trade is up 20%. Okay? I caught it exactly right there at 46 cents. 46. I went in 46,139 right there. I caught that trade. Okay? I said it, and I forget it, and I went to sleep, and I woke up, and boom, there is the trade. What am I doing with that information? I'm just buying dollar cost averaging on the way down. The bigger the trade, the more that it keeps going lower. I don't know what the bottom is going to be. It can keep going lower from here. I hope it does, so I get more XRP. I can get more entry into this price action. Just try to catch every 618. That's one 618. This is another. This is another 618, 42 cents. And there's more and more. You just keep pulling back. Go back in time and keep going. High lows, high lows. This is another 38 cents. You keep doing that over and over and over, and all of those are your $618 cost averaging entries. That's a very basic way of looking at trading. A really good strategy to do, by the way. Is it profitable? I have no idea whatsoever. You just got to find out. You have to be in it to win it. Try it out. See if you can catch every single one. Divide your portfolio into 1% increments times 2 for every 618. So you go in with 1% of your portfolio on the first one, 2% on the second one, 4% on the third one, 8, 16, 32, 64, and 100. Okay. You have about 5 $618 cost averages on the way down. That way you can try and catch the bottom every time it dumps. Okay. We all know that XRP is not going anywhere whatsoever. We're not going to see zero XRP ever. I hope not. That's what I'm thinking. So we're going to try to catch a bouncy bounce from whatever low it is going to be. I have no idea what that's going to be, but we're going to try to catch that bottom. And we do it by drawing out our Fibonacci and try to catch the 618s. Okay? So I hope you're doing exactly that. By the way, here you go. These are my open orders for XRP. These are all my dollar cost averages. Okay, take a screenshot of this. If you can barely see it over on the TikTok, I highly recommend you head over to one of my other platforms. I'm streaming on Twitch, on YouTube, on Facebook, on Kick. They have a bigger screen. You can see bigger information. Head on over to my link on my bio. You can see all of everything in my bio. Okay, guys? P2E, big shout out to you over on the YouTube. Can you do a Bitcoin price prediction? I already did that, my man. We already talked about Bitcoin. Here it is. My price prediction for Bitcoin is 23,333. We're going to go in on that Bitcoin trade, and we're going to hold it all the way up to 37,000. Take a screenshot of this, my man, because this is how we're going to be playing it out. We're going to go in on 23,333, and we're going to hold it all the way up to 37,000. Catch that, my man. Catch me outside. Here's the trade right here. I put it on my BitKit account, and it's ready to go. About 1% of my portfolio is going in on that trade. So if I lose it, I only lose 1% of my portfolio. I'm not going to go in, obviously. I'm all in on XRP. So yeah, guys, that is my XRP trade right there. Let me head over here. Boom, we have a low, we have a high, we have a pullback on the high. Boom, boom. And that was your entry to go in on some XRP action right there at 46 cents. We caught that low. We're in it. And we are banking about 20% on that trade. Okay? We're banking 20% on that trade. I show my winners. I show my losers. My losing this trade right here, this 48.1 cent XRP trade long is losing 1%, $1. It's not that bad. I'm not going to cry about that. Well, we're still going to be holding on to that trade. The liquidation price on that trade is what? The liquidation price of this trade is 35 cents, how I have it right now. If it goes down to 35 cents, then my entire trade is liquidated. But if it goes down to 35 cents, you best believe I'm going to be buying even more XRP. My entry prices are below 35 cents, by the way. I got one at 25 cents, at 30 cents, 33, 34. All those trades are going to be pushing that liquidation price lower and lower and lower and lower. All the way down below 25 cents. If it goes below 25 cents, I'm going to refinance my house and get more XRP. Don't do that. I'm not saying you should do that. That's completely stupid. Don't ever do that. But that's what I'm going to be doing, okay? I just double down, guys. I just double down. You never know. It could bounce from there. That, guys, is my XRP price prediction, 46 cents. And it could, if it breaks those 382, we know the rules already, right? We know the rules. We bounce out of the 618. That's rule number 1. Rule number 2, we break out of that 382. If we break out of that 382, then take your profits on the negative 382. If it breaks out 50 cents, we're going to be looking at 63 cent XRP coming right around the corner. Joe! My man Joe! How you doing, Joe? Without Joe, there is no show. Anyone see some XRP in here? God damn, Joe! Of course we see an XRP. We're looking at XRP right now. Look at my XRP trade right here, Joe. Bam! 37% on my XRP trade. Here are my current trades on XRP. Bam, 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 bam. And if you haven't seen it, Joe, I set up a Bitcoin XRP Bitcoin trade at 23,330. Keep an eye out on that one. 23,333. Okay. Put about 1% of my portfolio, $100 on this trade. See if it actually bounces from here. Okay. Let's keep going, guys. Try to make that $1 million XRP trade. That's what the whole channel is about. Let's see if we can actually get it. Big shout out to the Lion's Den. Where are we going short term? Short term, let's go to lower time frames. Remember that we always start with the daily. We look at bigger pictures. Short term, obviously to the downside. That's how you look at price direction. Price direction, you go into the daily chart. You look at the last two candles. By the way, these are Heiken Ashi candles, so make sure that you have the Heiken Ashi candles. That's how I do my technical analysis. The last two candles are what? Super red. Super red. So super red candles means that the market is going to go down. Market trend is to the downside. Okay, so now that you know that, you zoom out into lower time frames. So let's go down to the 30, or let's go to the 15-minute chart. Zoom out. Let me get rid of all this line so it doesn't confuse the hell out of you. And bam, like that. Let's set it up. All right. And now that we know that the market is to the downside, that's what the bias is. The bias is towards the low. Can we identify a high? Can we identify a low? Can we identify a pullback on that low? Not just yet. It's trading sideways. Look at all this sideways action right here. This is sideways action right here. Sideways action right here. Sideways action like that tends to break to the downside, because sideways just means that there is no volume to drive the price to the upside. Okay, it's very, very rare to get sideways action to go to the upside. Okay, unless it's price manipulation, which is exactly what happened here. Okay, this sideways action, this little mini pump and dump that happened right here, this is a classic pump and dump scenario on a sideways action. We still have this sideways action playing out right now on the 15-minute chart. So this most likely is going to break to the downside. Okay, keep that in mind. That means that you do not have an entry price on the Fibonacci, because if I draw out the Fibonacci, this is the Fibonacci retracement tool right here. When do you want to go in? It's impossible to know. Look at how much price action needs to happen for you to get in on this trade. It has to bounce back up here. It has to find the demand, the liquidity zone up here. And I don't see that happening. It's too sideways. So what am I saying with that? On the 15-minute chart, it's a no trade zone for me. I know that the price is to the downside. If you want high risk, high reward type of trades, short-term type of trades, scalping trades, then yeah, to the downside. Okay, bet to the downside. Go in right now on the danger zone that is the 382 and take your profits at 42. You see how it actually is playing out on exactly my profits, my 618s on the longs. It's exactly the same thing. You can just bet to the downside and then you bet long when it reaches the negative 382. So basically you're doing this. You get out, you get in. You get out, you get in. You get out, you get in. Like that. Okay. So short term to the downside, longer term to the upside, especially when we get that settlement going. But it is just, oh man, look at this. It is just like, pattern is right there, guys, on the 15-minute chart. It is just stepping and stepping and stepping. Yeah. But for me, in my case, my trading, more power for me, more XRP for me. Let everybody sell their XRP. The more they sell, the more I grab. No, I don't even think about it twice. The more people sell XRP, the more I buy. And so I bought more over here at 46 cents. I went in on that trade, and I'm winning that trade. Hopefully we get a bouncy bounce from there. And if it goes any lower, then my next trade is down here. 42 cents, which is what we just saw on the short term, that pull back to the downside. What was it? It was the negative 382, right? And the negative 383 on a short is the 618 on the long. Okay? See how all the patterns are right there in front of you? You just got to learn how to read them. That's how you try to catch those demand and resistance zones. Okay? The problem, the difficulty is that it can happen both ways. It's a 50-50 chance. It can either go up or it can go down. It can go in your favor or it can not. So guys, XRP, great opportunity to start stacking up with some XRP action. Big shout out to Sim Salabim over on the Twitch. Thank you for that subscribe. So that, guys, is my price prediction for some XRP action. Went down to 46. It could go down to 42. If it goes down to 42, stack up on some more XRP. Stack up on 46, stack up on 42, and so on and so forth. In case you need to know, take a screenshot of this. These are my XRP entry prices right here. This is how I am going to be dollar cost averaging all of my XRP. Okay? Try to catch all of these bottoms. All of these are 618 entry prices on the Fibonacci. Up till now, that position is winning about 36%, and my current trades are all positive, except for this one, which is the 48 cent. That is the one that I'm testing out right now. Moving on to some Litecoin action. What is Litecoin doing right here? Okay, so in a Litecoin, can we identify a high? Can we identify a low? Can we identify a high? Can we identify a pullback on the high? Yes, we can. So let's draw out our Fibonacci. And let's see what is happening over here. So Litecoin, from the upwards momentum, we are momentum to the upside, then momentum kind of curving back down, finding support on that 382. If we want to draw out that 382, we do not trade the 382. We trade what? The golden zone. So now that I know that the prices are probably going to keep going to the downside, momentum is to the downside, what am I going to do? I'm going to set up my trade to the downside. Okay? My trades to the downside are $65 for Litecoin and $58 for Bitcoin. Try to catch those bouncy bounces to the downside. If we try to catch those bouncy bounces, then we can try to make our profits on the way up. So target price on the longer term for Litecoin, $58. On the shorter term, let's see what we got over here. Can we identify a low? Can we identify a high? Can we identify a pullback on the high? Yes, we can. So we do what? We draw out our Fibonacci. And what is Litecoin doing right now? It is trading below the 618. So if it trades below the 618, that means that this Fibonacci retracement doesn't work. It's not liable. Okay, it means that it's being manipulated by the market. It's not following the rules. As you all know, crypto is highly manipulated. It doesn't follow the rules to the dot most of the times. Okay, so I believe that Litecoin is being manipulated. Price is being pushed to the downside for some reason. I have no idea why. I don't have that much money in my bank account to manipulate any type of purposes whatsoever, and I'm not friends with anybody who does things like this. But it is trading below the 618, so this Fibonacci retracement tool is a no-go unless it closes above the 618. Since we're looking on the daily chart right now, we have to wait for the price of Litecoin to close above 78 cents for me to start considering getting in on some Litecoin action. If it closes above 78 cents, then you get in on Litecoin. Because right now, all I see is just more prices to the downside. Okay. If it's prices to the downside that you're looking for, then you can short Litecoin. And it's the same thing the other way around. Check this out, guys. So we found support on the 618 to the short area. It broke the 382. So what is it telling you? That there is a high probability that we are going to get a $66 Litecoin right there. And this is just basing it off the Fibonacci. This is not the end all be all, of course not. But you gotta master the Fibonacci first before we take it in. We take anything further. Once you guys have mastered the Fibonacci, then we can start moving on to other indicators and other strategies. Okay. Big shout out to Marcus Kivela over on Kivela 496 over on the TikTok. What is that? What you are drawing levels. This, my man, is called the Fibonacci. The Fibonacci is a algorithm smarter than me to find support and resistance. You're trying to catch where the price might bounce from or break out from the bottom or the top. The Fibonacci tool kind of gives you the best demand zone on whatever asset you're looking on at. Okay, so if trading with support and resistance is something that you are interested in, then hit that like button, subscribe, and follow from whatever platform you're looking on at, because that's exactly what I teach right here. I am teaching you how to trade using the Fibonacci retracement tool. Marcus Kivela, Fibonacci, right, please. What does that mean, my man? Fibonacci, bro, right here. Fib retracement. A quick Google search will show you what the Fibonacci retracement tool will do, my man. Let me get some water. We're going to keep moving on, guys. Litecoin to the downside. Oh, how to write the Fibonacci? I believe it's spelled like this. Fibonacci. Like that. Lions Den over on the TikTok saying, do you trade meme coins? I do not trade meme coins. No. I only... Oh, somebody's in my front door. That's hilarious. Give me a second, guys. No, I do not trade meme coins. But in no way, shape, or form does that mean that you shouldn't be trading meme coins. Okay? We're going to be talking about meme coins today. I usually talk about Doge, Shiba coin, stuff like that. But no, I'm not a meme coin trader. I never, ever have ever bought any meme coins whatsoever. So more price action to the downside on Litecoin, guys. Try to catch that bottom and see if we can get a bouncy bounce on $56. Moving on to some Cardano. God damn you, Cardano. You broke me this weekend. So let's look at some Cardano action. What is Cardano doing right here? So Cardano had a little break to the down. No, not a little. A big ass break to the downside. Completely liquidated my trade. 1% of my portfolio. It is what it is. So can we identify a high? Can we identify a low and a pullback on the high? Yes, we can. So let's draw out our Fibonacci and find out that it is actually trading below the 618. So even more price action to the downside. This just, oh man, Cardano is not looking good at all. Man, Cardano, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing? Let me see if this one works a little better. Yeah, this one works a whole lot better. Oh, man. It is on the take profit right now on the negative 382 on Cardano. Oh, man. What is Cardano doing? What's happening with Cardano? Are there any news impacting Cardano to the downside? Like, did something happen? I don't even know. I haven't even heard anything about Cardano. I heard that the CEO of Cardano is asking for forgiveness for the XRP army, because the XRP army was going to the upside while Cardano was going down. And Cardano is getting sued. Is Cardano getting sued by the SEC also, right? What did I tell you guys was going to happen years ago when we got sued with the SEC? I told you guys the XRP was going to go up and everything else was going to go down, because everything else was going to get sued while XRP was going to win the case. Now every other coin is going to get sued. Every other coin is going to go to the downside while XRP goes up. I told you that shit was going to happen. So Cardano, guys, taking one hell of a hit to the downside. Thank you for those lawsuit, SEC. Just keep suing everybody, guys, my man. Just keep doing it. More pandemonium, more anarchy in the streets, my man. That we need more anarchy. Let's just keep pushing these prices down. I'm all for catastrophe. I'm all for chaos. Let's keep it happening. Let's keep it going to the downside. Whew. Cardano having a two-line theory, by the way. Let me draw out that two-line right there. So we are trading within this zone right here. When would I start considering taking a long on Cardano once again? Oh my gosh, it's testing all-time lows. Look at this. Wow. Cardano, what are you doing, brother? What are you doing, step bro? Cardano's not looking too good, guys. So if a Cardano closes below, oh man, let me see right here. Let me see this right here. If Cardano closes below 20 cents, it's oh man, it's all hell breaks loose for Cardano, guys. But hey, anything below 23.85 is a steal. It's a major steal if it doesn't actually keep going to zero. I don't know what's happening with Cardano. I really don't. The market is not agreeing with Cardano whatsoever. But if you're looking for lows, these are the lows you're looking for. It's trading below market low. Look at, nasty, just nasty for Cardano, guys. But if you're waiting to catch up on some Cardano action, then this is exactly where you want it to be. Below any price action whatsoever. It's just so dangerous to get into some Cardano right now. It can go to zero. It can go to 15 cents, 10 cents, and it doesn't matter. This is price discovery to the downside. Oh man, what is Cardano doing? But guys, this is the best position to be in to start stacking up on some Cardano. You want it. You were waiting for the lows. These are the lows you were waiting for in Cardano. It can go lower. Yes, of course it can keep going lower. I have no idea how low it can go. Let me see. Let me see what I can find out here. It's just so nasty. You do not want to see a sharp dude exactly what it's doing right here. So let me see if I can find the low. It's on the low. Yeah, it went to the 23 cents. It's on the low. This is the lowest I believe it can go. This is your take profit zone right here at 23.91. Oh, so nasty, bro. It's just so nasty. Let me see. Can you keep going? Let me see if I can find another one. Yeah. So, guys, if I were a betting man and I wanted to get in on some Cardano action and wait for even lower prices, if you have the emotional maturity to hold on to even lower prices, then these are my two entry prices to get in on some Cardano action right here and right here. So I'm going to write it down on the screen. This is my entry prices to get in on some Cardano action. 1885 and 0.1638. These are my two entry prices on Cardano action, guys. If you guys want, man, if it goes down to there, nasty for Cardano, guys. Nasty for Cardano. Those are your two entry prices to get in on some Cardano action, guys. Take a screenshot of this. Do what you got to do. Set your limit buy orders on whatever platform you're trading on. This is how I'm going to go in on a long on Cardano, or maybe even start stacking up on some. You don't have to trade on a long or shorting. You don't have to do leverage trading. You can just stack up on some bags and hold on to some Cardano. Okay? You don't have to trade with leverage. Leverage trading is very dangerous. Okay? You can just hold on to the coin. And what are the best holding scenarios? The 618. And these are your two trades right here. 18 cents and 16 cents for Cardano. Moving on to some XLM action. What is XLM doing right now? Let me get rid of this so it doesn't confuse you. So XLM also to the downside, just like every other coin out there. So if you're going to be doing your trades are to what? To the downside. You're going to try to catch some shorts on the way down. I am not a shorter. Big shout out to Lions Den. How long will XRP go? I want to get in on a long-term hold. 42 cents, my man. 42 cents is a high demand zone. So if you're going to want to get some XRP action, you're still on the ropes. 42 cents is one hell of a way to go. And anything lower than that, anything lower than 42 cents. If we could get it back down to 30 cents, hooray. Let's make it happen. Where did my music go? Come on, man. Where'd my music go? So anything below 42 cents on XRP, that's where you're going to want to get in. Just in case, Lion Den, these are all my trades right here for XRP. The lowest trade that I have on XRP is 25 cents. Okay. Will I ever see 25 cents XRP again? I don't think so. But if it does, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Guys, XLM, do we have a high? Do we have a low? Do we have a high? Do we have a pullback on the high? Yes, but guess what the price of XLM is doing right now? XLM is breaking that 618 to the downside. So this Fibonacci retracement tool does not work. Okay? It'll work as soon as it finds support above the 618. Right now, we're in the red zone. This is the no man's zone. This is a no trade zone to the upside, okay? Because I just don't know where the bottom is going to be if I am longing XLM. But if I'm shorting XLM, then this is the best place to be. If I am shorting XLM, right now is my take profit zone. It is trading on the negative 618 if I am shorting XLM. Okay, so you should be taking your profits right now on XLM if you are in a short. Okay, can it keep going lower? Of course it can keep going lower. This is just a little support zone. It could get broken immediately. Okay. So yeah, guys, XLM looking a little saucy to the downside. Anybody holding on to some XLM? Let me see what we got over here. We actually kind of have a two-line theory right over here. Let me see. Yeah, we have a two-line theory playing out right now. If you guys don't know what a two-line theory is, it's just a very simple strategy to figure out what breakout zones might be. Breakout zones are just pretty much whenever trend lines get tested and broken through. Every single time we get a trend line and we break through it, that trend line becomes support. Okay, so for example, we have a trend line right here. We have a one touch, two touch, and three touch, four touch, and on the fourth touch it broke through. Okay, after it broke through, there is going to be a pullback. Okay, there's going to be a retest of that trend line, and that is exactly what is happening right now. So more price action to the downside on XLM coming real soon, okay? But in no way, shape, or form does that mean that you can't make money on XLM. You're waiting for those pullbacks to get in on some XLM action. You should be stacking on XLM anyway on the way down. Whenever we get red candles like this is exactly when you want to start stacking up on some XLM. XLM is trading at 7 cents. The all-time high on XLM was 80 cents. That would be a 10x if it actually goes to all-time highs again. I don't know if it actually will. We might get another bull cycle coming right around the corner after the halving. Let's see if it actually plays out. But my man, let me tell you right now, getting it at 7 cents and selling it at 80 or higher on the next bull cycle, why not? Why not? Forget about price action. Forget about the price right now. Stack up on XLM either way. Can it keep going lower? Yes, it can. Stack up on even more. But XLM looking kind of saucy to the downside, guys. More price action to the downside. If you guys are waiting for, you're on the ropes on getting in on some XLM. XLM to the moon, guys. Just like XRP. All the X coins. Just get all the X coins. XLM, XDC, XRP, get everything, all the X's. Let me see. So let's get in on some XLM action at these price ranges right here. These are my two price actions to get in on some XLM action right there. Take a screenshot of that. That is where you're going to want to start stacking up a bunch of XLM. 7 cents, 74661, and 7044. So about 7 cents. Okay. Big shout out to Poppy's Snacks over on the TikTok. XLM to the moon. That's right, my man. Thank you. Big shout out to Kareem over on the TikTok, on the Twitch. Thank you for that follow over on the Twitch. So that is the price action. Take a screenshot of this, my man. This is how you're going to want to start trading some XLM action. Start stacking up on a lot of bags of XLM on those two price ranges right there. Kareem Pie over on the Twitch. Kareem Pie, like the number 3.5. Of course, yeah. My favorite number. Pie number. So big shout out to Kareem Pie, which is pretty much cream pie. That's hilarious. That's a kick-ass name, by the way. I wish I would have thought of that name, cream pie. Kareem Pie. Cream Pie is saying you do micro caps. Micro caps depends. Do you want to see any coin in specific? I do TA on whatever coins you guys want to look at. I personally do top 10 coins, top 10 caps. Go to CoinMarketCap, and I look at the top 10 and see what they are performing at. Okay, I do my TA on those, but I basically trade XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Those are my top 3 coins that I'm always trading. But right now, 100% of my portfolio is on XRP. All of my trades are on XRP. Oh, guys, did you see this, guys? I don't know if you were here in the beginning of the class, but look at that, guys. This is USD Tether. USD Tether depegging from the dollar. That was scary shit this morning. This is why I can't go to sleep. Look at that, guys. XRP USD Tether depegging from the dollar. My man, let me tell you right now, if there's one thing in this world that cannot happen, it's USD Tether depegging from the dollar. It recovered quickly. It's back to $1 again. It was just a little scare. I don't know what the hell happened. I mean, somebody must have most likely bought a whole bunch of USDC with the USD Tether, sold it, and tried to make a profit with DeFi by shorting USD Tether and longing USDC, which is usually what happens. And it's completely legal in crypto. Remember, crypto is unregulated. You can do stupid shit like that. If you have a shit ton of money, if you have millions and millions and millions of dollars to drive markets ups and downs, that happens all the time. Just sell once, buy the other. Long one, short the other. It happens all the time. But yeah, USDT depegging from the dollar. That was some scary shit this morning. If USD Tether depegs from the dollar, goes to zero, I'm done. I hold a shit ton of XRP. I'm going to be always holding on to some XRP, but god damn, that would be horrible for the entire market. Happy Snack over on the TikTok is asking, you think USDC or USDT will be more dominant? You mean one versus the other? Well, right now, USDT has been king for a long time. No empire lasts forever. There's going to be a moment where another stablecoin might probably take the throne. But up till now, USD Tether doing his thing. I don't believe, maybe USDC depegged from the dollar a while back, all the way down to 80 somewhat cents. I remember that was another major scare. Whoa, man, that day was horrible for me. I could not believe that these stable coins that were in the name, they're stable. They should stay stable on the dollar. They don't. That's why I don't buy or hold USDC or USDT. Well, I mean, I trade against it, but holding on to Tether, it just makes no sense. You're not really making any money whatsoever. But I really don't know if I would say USD Tether. But I really don't know. It can depeg from the dollar and just go to zero. Just the same way that USDC can go to zero. We were victims of this with Terra Luna when it depegged from the dollar. And I lost everything with Terra Luna. So no, stable coins are not my cup of tea. Ray! Big shout out to Ray over on the TikTok. What up, bro? A lot happening today. Bro, a shit ton of stuff are happening today. It is ridiculous, my man. There's just a whole bunch of stuff happening in the markets. It's ridiculous. Prices to the downside. More FUD and more FUD. Just keep feeding their prices down. And hey, hooray for that. I keep buying more XRP. Cream Pie over on the Twitch. Kick-ass name, by the way. Asking XNA or ZEGX. Already am up 100%. Only 419k MC now. Market cap not sure if you should keep some in. XNA. What is XNA? Let me check what XNA. Oh, this is a DeFi coin. XNA. What is XNA? XNA. That has no damn. So this just came out like right now. Oh, Neuro. Okay, my bad. Neuro protocol. NRP. Let me know if it's NRP. Oh, well, if it's brand new, my man, I can't do any technical analysis on that. It doesn't have any price discovery or price action. And those are highly risky type of trades and type of coins. But hey, more power to you. Get $100. Why not? We've all seen what $100 can do on these type of coins. Look at Pepe Coin. $100 was like $1 million. Bro, there is no reason why you shouldn't get 100,000 of that coin. For how much? How much is the coin worth right now? Man, this is so fucking bright. No, I can't do any research. Do you have a website or something that I can look at? See if you can show me give me a website so I can look at it. Exactly. There we go. Okay, so this is an exchange. Okay, this is an exchange coin. No reason why you guys shouldn't make money on coins like this. Put $100 in and forget about the rest. If you lose, you lose $100. If you win, you make a shit ton of money. But these are high risk, high reward type of trades, guys. I usually don't buy coins like this. I stick with the top 10 and I do my trades there. But $100 is $100. This is an exchange. It has liquidity pools. It has faucets. It has NFTs. It's just basically like every other exchange out there. Oh, they offer XRP too? Cool. Well, if they're pro XRP, I'm pro SegX. That's for sure. Do they require KYC? Do we know? Well, I'm going to keep an eye out. Nope, I don't have it, and they list very low caps. Okay, we're going to keep an eye out on SegX. That's for sure. Get some SegX, guys. Why not? Why not, guys? $100 is just $100. Challenge yourself. Why not? Moving on to some Solana, guys. What is Solana doing, guys? Solana. This was a beautiful trade right here, guys. Solana. Let me get rid of this. I've been screaming at you for months now about Solana. That my entry price for Solana was what? $12.74. That is exactly where it wicked. It is now trying to find support within the 0.5. So that's good news for anybody who caught this trade right here. Big shout out to Chuck over on the TikTok, XRP millionaire. Hell yeah. In the making, my man. In the making. But millionaire is too short, my man. I'm billionaire. Billionaire. Okay, with a B. I'm not going anywhere until I'm a billionaire. My target price. I'm trying to get away from XRP when I have like at least $1 billion. If I have at least $1 billion, then yeah, I think I could be satisfied. I could be satisfied with $1 billion. Puppy Snag over on the TikTok saying I was thinking trillionaire. Trillionaire's too much money. That's too much. Nah, you don't want me to be a trillionaire. I'll destroy everything. Nah, I don't want to be a trillionaire. That's too much. Too much. $1 billion, that's more than enough for me. $1 billion. Shit, $5 million is more than enough for me. Guys, Solana, look at this. Bounced exactly from my entry price right there at $12.74. Finding support at the 0.5. Hooray for everybody who caught this trade months ago. We're now waiting for that price to what? To break out of that 382 zone. If it breaks out the 382 zone, then your take profits are where? On the negative 382 at $43. So this could bounce from here. That trade would give you a beautiful 240% on your trade times 5, because we use 5x on our leverage trades. That's more than 1,000% on your trade. If we could actually play this one out, that's about what, 10 times whatever you put in. Guys, I cannot make it easier for you. I cannot make it easier for you. That bouncy bounce happening over on Solana. Let's see if it actually plays out, guys. Chuck saying over on the TikTok, whoa, I like those prices. Hell yeah, I fucking love those prices. It's already done. They're just stalling with this case till everyone is ready. I'm ready. I've been ready for years. I've been ready since 2015. I bought XRP when it was less than $1. And I held that sucker all the way up to $3 and I took some profits. Then it came back down to 17 cents and I bought back in. And I've been buying XRP ever since the lawsuit ever happened. Ever since. And then it went up to $2. And I did not take profits on $2. I took some profits. I took like $100,000 worth of profits. But I didn't take the whole bag. I thought it was going to go up to $5. I really thought that it was going to go up to $5. I saw the volume. I saw everything. But yeah, I am holding on to my XRP until I'm a billionaire right there. My target price for XRP on the first take profit zone is $5. Okay, $5. I know that it sounds low for what the potential of XRP can be, but $5 is a shit ton of money, guys. $5, that's about 10x whatever you have right now. 10x is a great profit zone, but I say $5, $11, $40, $200. Yeah. At $200, I'm a billionaire. Bobby over on the TikTok saying, yeah, we're about to be besties. You stick around, my man. Come every single day, my man. Come over and hang out. I don't want to be the only billionaire at the table. It's gonna be one hell of a table. Oh man, I'm just gonna be so. When XRP goes to $5, when everybody said it wasn't. You have any idea how much shit we've taken throughout the years, the XRP army, that people just do not believe in XRP? They do not believe in XRP over and over and over again. I don't know. I've made my entire money thanks to XRP, so I'm obviously skewed to XRP. Just got to learn how to read the charts, guys. It's all about cycles. It's market cycles. They go up, they go down. They go up, they go down. And you take advantage of it either way. Eddie G, big shout out to Eddie G over on the TikTok. How long do you think it's going to get? You mean how long is it going to take to get to those price actions on XRP? Brother, right after the lawsuit. I just don't know when that is going to happen. Time is our best ally. Patience is key. I just don't know. I know that the next bull cycle is March 2025. I know that because the cycles have been playing out nicely every single time. But I just don't know when the lawsuit is going to be done. I don't know what the hell they're waiting for. Come on. They have everything. She has everything. The judge. She has everything. I just don't know what they're waiting for. I don't know what they're discussing. I don't have an inside man. I don't have any inside information whatsoever. I'm exactly like you guys, just patiently waiting. But come on, it gets fucking frustrating to wait, you know? You have expectations and they don't get met. It's frustrating as hell. And it's been years like that, you know? But I'm telling you right now, once that lawsuit drops, once it is done, once we're over with that, bro, strap in and hold on for dear life, because $5 XRP, that's my first take profit. Second, 11, then 40, then 240. Those are my 4 take profit zones on the way up. I don't know if it's actually going to reach $240 or even $40. That's why I say $5 is more realistic, but I could be completely wrong and full of shit, and it goes to $1,000 and we're all trillionaires. Because we bought at 17 cents. Big shout out to everybody here on the TikTok and every other platform. You guys are awesome. You guys make me laugh. Let me check out Dixie for a second. What is Dixie doing? Ooh. Dixie, the US dollar is actually having a little bit of a dumpy dump. Oh, did you guys see the FOMC and all those numbers? I wasn't awake. I went to sleep. That's why I can't sleep. I miss everything. So the US dollar is having a little bit of a dumpy dump, but why is Bitcoin not having a pumpy pump? What are people putting their money in that is in cryptocurrencies? Could it be oil? Could it be gold? We're having a swan formation right here. This is my swan formation, guys. Don't judge it. It's right here. That's made up. That's completely made up. There are no such thing as a swan event. Let me see what we got here. So, the US dollar finding support on the 618. Can we close above 103? I don't know. If it closes above 103, then we're going to have that $106 US dollar. But I wonder what people are putting their money in that isn't cryptocurrencies right now. I know that a bunch of big whales are putting a shit ton of money into crypto right now. I know BlackRock is putting in money on Bitcoin, and we're talking about $8 trillion fund. BlackRock, $8 trillion, guys. $8 trillion. What was the price of Bitcoin at a $800 billion market cap? 70,000? Oh, okay. Okay. Imagine $8 trillion. Not saying that they're going to put $8 trillion into the market. That's the entire fund. They're not going to put all their eggs in one basket. That's just not going to happen. But I do know that they're going to be injecting a shit ton of money into Bitcoin. So guys, don't miss out. Target price 23,333 for Bitcoin. If you actually get there, then hooray. Hooray. Chuck over on the TikTok asking, what do you think about XLM and XDC? Bro, buy every X coin out there. Why not? I gave you guys XLM. XLM, more price action to the downside. These are my 2 entry prices to getting on some XLM action. So pretty much now is a great time to get some XLM. It'll probably keep going lower because the price momentum is to the downside. I don't know when the bounce is going to happen. But right now is a great time to get some XLM and XDC, obviously. Let me take a look at XDC. Okay. So XDC found the support on the 618, broke the 382, tested the 0, tried to break out to the upside, could not get the volume to do so. So there is more possibility that it is going to keep going up here. If we can catch it anywhere near this 618 right here, or the 0.5, anything between this zone right here, start stacking up on some XDC because this is a nice chart. This is an upward movement type of chart, guys. XDC is also looking quite nicely. So pretty much every X coin, XDC, XRP, HBAR, just all the coins that are being sued. Go ahead, follow the pandemonium, follow the chaos. XDC, guys, to the upside. Let's see if we could get it down to this 618. My target price, I'm gonna put it right here, right now. I'm going to put it right here, right now. Target price for XDC to get in on some XDC action. Right there. Take a screenshot of that. That's where I'm going to start stacking up on some XDC. Right future over on the take the 23K for what? XRP? Can you imagine $23,000 per XRP? Come on. No. Guys, if XRP's at 23, I'm a major trillionaire. I am the king of the world. The whole world is mine. No, man, no. 23,000 for XRP, no. 23,000 for Bitcoin. Bitcoin 23,333. To get in on some Bitcoin action. Poppy over on the TikTok. The only ISO 20 token that I don't have is IOTA. I don't want to get a VPN, to be honest. Why not, bro? You need a VPN. There's free VPNs out there. You can get it from the Opera browser. The Opera browser has a free VPN. You can get any coin that you want. This browser that I have right here, this is the Opera browser. It has a free VPN. I personally use Proton VPN for other reasons, but it has a free VPN. There's no reason why you shouldn't be having a VPN. No, papi. over on the Opera browser, this browser has a VPN. Let me see if I can find it. There you go. Free VPN. Okay, as a free VPN. So no reason why you shouldn't be having a VPN on your browsing history. Protect your identity, my man. Protect your privacy. There is no reason why you shouldn't have a VPN anyways. Especially when we're dealing with money. Hide yourself from any potential eyes. Okay? Yeah, that's right. That's right, my man. This is good, puppy. That's what I'm here for. All right, guys. Well, that's all the time I got for you today, guys. I'm gonna go hit the gym. I gotta look good for when XRP goes to $5. I'm gonna be a millionaire plus have a six-pack abs. I suggest you do the same thing, because what's $1 million if you're not healthy? I'm gonna go hit the gym. I'm gonna go get something to eat. I'm starving. I literally woke up like 2 hours ago. And let's see what these markets are gonna be doing. Puppy saying, "Oh, to you on the billionaire side, hell yeah, for sure." It's just a matter of time. One way or another, we're gonna be here, my man. We're gonna sit on that table and let's see what we can make up right after we get that $1 billion XRP. Ray over on the TikTok. We all gotta have a six-pack for XRP, though. That's right, my man. We gotta all have that six-pack for XRP, because when we become a millionaire, my man, we gotta represent. We gotta represent. All right, guys. Thank you for stopping by. I had a lot of fun. I hope you did too. You guys crack me up every single time, my man. I'll be back again tomorrow. What's today? Today's Thursday. It's Friday. Tomorrow I think I have something to do tomorrow. I think it's my father-in-law's birthday or something. I don't remember. I got to do something tomorrow. I know I'm not going to be able to stream tomorrow, but I'll be back on Monday. Okay, so I'll be back here on Monday at 5 p.m. Make sure that you guys subscribe and follow on whatever platform you're looking on at. Remember that I stream on every single platform out there. So make sure you like, follow, and subscribe. All the links in my bio or below this video on whatever platform you're looking on me at. Thank you for stopping by. I had a lot of fun. God bless. Take care. And I will see you again on Monday, 5 p.m. Eastern. God bless. Take care. Have a good one.
Two, three, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3.